Doing a fun little review. Knob Creek 9-year. Single barrel, 120 proof. Put on the Jim Beam hat for this one. Cheers. Ah, that is nice. And obviously speaking, the biggest note that I get drinking Jim Beam products, as I think everyone gets, is that like nuttiness. Like not peanuts, but like trail mix kind of nuts. It's not like, oh my god, but this one doesn't have a super heavy nut note. At least off the smell. It's there. But it's more oak. I don't know how to describe that. Like a, almost like a toasted kind of vibe. It's more oaky than I thought it was gonna be, which is nice. On the heavier oak side of things. Yeah, quintessential Jim Beam. Has that nut like start, but mid palate's hard to describe. Let me get a little sip. I would say the mid palate is super smooth and almost just kind of mellows out that nut. A little sweet, but the finish is kind of the really fun thing about this one. Like breathing in and out, has that nice Kentucky hug at 120 proof. I would say that it's not super spicy. It's a little sweeter, a little bit more oak heavy, but still has that like underlying like toasted nuts. Like if you put some like peanuts, a little bit of salt inside an oven, and you let that toast around. Yeah, I guess that's the one note that's hard to describe in the mid palate, but it's like a salted peanut. Like almost sweet enough to be a candy, but not, I don't know. That's a harder one to describe. It is a single barrel, so they're all different. What is that note in the mid palate? Almost like a tea note, like a herbal, like a loose leaf tea, like a Earl Grey. Like it's not super floral, but it has a really nice